Just a micro lesson on borders. So if you see these grid lines here, they are not really visible if you do any sort of printing or anything like that. In actuality, you can get rid of them if you go to View and click off this checkbox that says grid lines. They were never really there. What if we wanted to make a grid? Well, if we click a selection of cells, right click, we get to this border button and we can choose a variety of things. Thick outside border, all borders. And actually, if we go to more borders down here, we can make it a different color. Let's say we wanted green and we wanted the double lines. We wanted them outside and inside. This is a preview of what you're doing. Hit OK. And there we go. We've got our green double lines. If you want to make this into a checkerboard pattern, you can simply adjust the width of the columns and you have something like that. You also have the option in the home button on the ribbon to go to this border box, and it gives you similar options. You have the draw border option where you can draw boxes, draw diagonal lines. Again, one of those things in Excel you may never choose to use, but it's good to know it's out there.